Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School. Today we are going to listen a story. The name of the chapter is Taro's Reward. Unit 3, Taro's Reward. Now let me ask you a question. Whom do you love the most in your life? Definitely, it's your parents. Your parents take care of you and fulfill all your needs. Whatever you are asking for, your parents are giving it for you. They love you so much, they take care of you so much, and for them, you are their world. Isn't it? Yes. But as children, are we also giving back to our parents? Are we fulfilling their wants and desires? Now, as children, are we also keeping our parents happy? Are we taking care of them? We need to know more about this. For that, let us listen to this story. This story takes place in Japan. There was once a woodcutter named Taro in Japan, and he was living with his old aged parents near a hillside. Hillside means near the hills. And he was a very poor woodcutter. He used to go to the forest and every day cut woods, chop woods. Chop wood means he used to cut woods and bring home and sell them, but he got very little amount of money. Even though he was hardworking, he could not earn much money. Then came winter season. During the winter season, it was very cold in Japan. So one evening, as he was sitting in his house, he noticed that his parents were shivering due to the severe cold, extreme cold. His parents were shivering over there. Suddenly a strong cold wind blew, and through the cracks of their house, because it was an old hut that they were living in, so there were cracks and openings were there in between the walls. The wind was blowing inside the house, and his father was shivering very much. And his father said, "Oh, how I wish I could have a sip of sake so that it would keep my good old heart warm." What is sake? Sake is a Japanese drink. It is very expensive also. And if you drink that, it will keep you very healthy. So that is what the father means by telling good old heart warm. Good old heart warm means it will keep him healthy. So he wanted to drink that. He had this great desire or wish to drink that sake. Taro overheard. He heard what his father said and he felt very sad. He was unable to provide sake for his father because it was very costly, expensive. And that made him very sad. Now Taro started thinking, what I will do? I want to keep my father happy. The old man has only asked for a sip of sake. As an obedient child, it is my duty to fulfill that wish of my father. But I do not have money. These thoughts were going through Taro's mind. Children, we need to understand that it is not always demanding from our parents. We also need to understand what our parents need. Most often, we are always asking our parents to do things for us. We want new shoes, we want laptops, we want toys, we want new clothes, we want money to celebrate. So many things we are asking our parents. We want them to take out for movies. When we are sick, we want them to take care of us. So many things we are asking to our parents, and our parents are always doing these things for us. Maybe your father will say, "No, I will not buy new shoes for you." But at evening, when he comes home, he buys shoes for you. So every time they want to keep you happy, they want to see the smile on your face. So for that, they do a lot of things for you. We should not forget that our parents also have got wishes and desires. And as good children, we should fulfill these desires of our parents. Speak to your parents. Ask your parents what they like. As a good child, what are the things that you are supposed to do? Help your mother in the kitchen. She is so busy, tired looking after you and the family. So help your mother in the kitchen. Help her to do small work in the kitchen. Help your father to do some work. He is so tired taking care of the family. He is going out to work. Maybe both the parents are working. So when they come home, do not fight with them. Do not do things that keeps them unhappy. Be good children and do good things. Like study well. As a child, what is your most important duty that you have to do? You should be studying well. Study well, work hard, get good marks, so that when they come to the open house, the teacher tells this child is a good child. That gives them so much of happiness. Immense happiness that gives. So do good things. Help your mother, help your father. Don't fight with your brothers and sisters. Be good children. Taro's parents has done so much for him. Now Taro is thinking, what I shall do for my parents? How I will return to my parents? All that they have given me. How I will take care of my father? He was such a thoughtful child. He was such a good son. So he was thinking such things. And after thinking for a long while, he decided, I will work more hard. I will cut more trees, chop more wood, and sell and make more money, so that my father gets to drink sake. So he decided that. Next day morning, full energetic, he goes into the forest. He takes his axe and he starts cutting the woods. And after a long time, by afternoon, he is very tired. His throat has become very dry and he cannot work anymore. He stops for a minute to take rest. Then suddenly he remembers, oh, my old father, the poor man, he's shivering in the house. He just wants to drink a sip of sake. No, I cannot take rest now. Immediately he jumps up, takes his axe again, cuts more wood. Again, it reminds us about how thoughtful he was. That love for his father, that care for his parents, that gave him energy to work hard. We should also be like Taro. We should think about our parents. Whenever we are going to do anything wrong, whenever we are feeling like, no, I'm feeling lazy, whenever you are feeling like, no, I don't want to do this, laziness, doing wrong things, think about your parents. Your parents love you so much. Your parents take care of you so much. Don't do anything that is going to hurt them. Think about them and you will feel an energy to do a lot more things in your life, good things in your life. So think about your parents. Taro was thinking about his father. No, I cannot waste my time. He remembered. And immediately he jumped up and he started cutting more wood. And after some time, what happened? He's feeling very thirsty. But there is no water around. He knows that in that forest, there is no lake, there is no river, there is no stream, there is no waterfall. There is no water in that forest. You have to go very long, far away you have to go to get a drop of water. He did not have time to waste. So he started working more and more. Suddenly, he heard a noise. It's like the water is flowing, gushing down, means forcing down. And he started hearing that voice. What is that voice? Water flowing? Where? There is no water in this forest. He listened and then he started walking towards the sound. From where that water flowing sound he was hearing, he started walking towards it. And to his surprise, he suddenly saw a waterfall. Water is falling from the rocks. He was very shocked, amazed. He thought, oh my God, from where did this waterfall come? It was not here before. Really magical. And then he went near the waterfall. He was feeling very thirsty, so he went near the waterfall. And he cupped. Cupped means he put the hands together to form a cup. Held the hands together. So he held the hands together. He went near the waterfall. He collected water in his hand and he started drinking from that. Sipping water from that. And after drinking, what happened? This has got a different taste. It is not tasting like water. Something is different in this. Again he drank and drank. Suddenly he noticed this tastes like sake. A waterfall of sake. Really magical. How has this magical waterfall come? How has this magical waterfall come into this forest? He was very surprised. What did he do then? He went and took his picture, P-I-T-C-H-E-R, picture means what? Pot. So he took his pot and went and collected sake from that. And what did he do after it? We will discuss that in the next class. We are concluding our class for today. Test paper is attached. I want all of you to attempt the test papers. Last class test paper, everyone has written wonderful answers. I'm so happy. Good job. Keep working hard like this and study English very well. Okay? So learn your notes, do your test paper. Be good children. Don't forget to take care of your parents. Thank you and have a nice day.